Hello there guys, and welcome back to Finance Ninja. We all love to spend our time on one of the most popular entertaining platforms out there, which is YouTube. Not only is it an entertaining platform, but it's also one of the best places where you can make money very efficiently. There are many ways to do so, which is both simple and advanced. You can earn even without a proper budget, production, or equipment. All you will need is to build a community of your fans. Today, we're looking at simple ideas that will pay you $3,530 every day on YouTube. Number 12, become a video editor. If your forte is video editing, then you could definitely work as a video editor for different content creators. Many people who start their YouTube channels look for people who can offer them great video editing services. If you can polish a raw YouTube video into something that could have a mass appeal, then this skill will definitely prove money spinning for you. But you have to keep in mind one thing. Video editing isn't going to be a piece of cake because it requires intense hard work. This means that your specialization in that field will consume a lot of time, and you have to come up with creative ideas to incorporate them in your projects so the videos could engage the viewers. If you're a video editor and running your own YouTube channel, then that is even a great thing because you're not only earning through your videos, but you're also building your own portfolio, which could further elevate your video editing career. Once you've gained enough experience, you can then offer your video editing packages to different channels, which could include color correction, color grading, video transitions, subtitles, and other visual additions. Number 11, try affiliate marketing. When you promote a service or a product of a brand and earn a commission from the profits, it's called affiliate marketing. You can work for different brands and their best-selling products, but you'll have to disclose your partnership to your audience in every video. If you want brands to offer you sponsorship, then you will likely need a huge subscriber count. However, you can still reach out to brands who will be willing to sponsor your videos. To get started with your sponsorship, you'll have to sign up for different brands' affiliate programs. Once you get the affiliate link, you can promote them in the description of your videos. However, the most important thing is to maintain transparency between you and your audience so you don't lose your credibility. So while reviewing the products, try to remain as unbiased and authentic as you can and review the product according to your own experience without giving out any hand-me-down details. If your reviews are genuine, then you will surely make more money. Number 10, find brands to sponsor you as an influencer. Brands are always looking for influencers who already have a loyal audience. For brands these days, it's a much better option than spending a huge portion of money on advertising campaigns because video channels can promote their products in a much more organic way than any ad could ever do. However, it's strongly recommended to not follow the money blindly. The products you're going to recommend to your audience should actually be valuable to them and relevant to your channel and videos. Otherwise, you can lose the trust of your audience. Also, you don't have to shy away from the fact that you're getting paid for the product review. If you decide to hide it from your subscribers, then it can tarnish your reputation. Number 9, sell your merchandise. Unquestionably, the most popular way to make more money from your YouTube channel is to create your own brand. Creating your own merch and then selling it has become one of the most profitable strategies around. Live streamers and YouTubers with huge fan bases are greatly benefiting from this strategy. The merch could include t-shirts, hoodies, coffee mugs, caps, bags, or anything else. According to reports, caps, t-shirts, and hoodies are the most famous merch items that are created and sold by YouTubers. The designs of the merch are usually the famous punchlines of the creators or the logo of their channels. Number 8, provide online courses. If you're interested in YouTube channels that were created with the aim of teaching their viewers about something, then this is for you. Channels that are posting educational videos for their audience have a very great opportunity to cash their skills. Well, you can provide online packages for your courses. You can create a package of your expertise, and your subscriber can pick any course or package that's relevant to their own interest. You can not only provide your teachings, but also sell some educational digital products as well that come along with online courses, including ebooks, templates, downloadable items, and printables. Moreover, you can also build your package on the interests of your audience to save time. Number 7, create a program of paid membership. Another way to earn money is by creating a paid membership program. Creators who have a family of huge loyal subscribers can announce their membership, thereby creating an exclusive community where the subscribers can get benefits from special offers. Channels that provide such memberships usually have a join button on their channel. The interested subscribers can join this community by paying a membership fee to avail the exclusive premium content. The fee paid by the subscribers can bring a good amount of monthly revenue for you. Number 6. Crowdfund your upcoming projects. Crowdfunding has become an efficient way to earn money from your YouTube platform. YouTube creators who want to raise money for their upcoming creative projects can get huge benefits if they choose this method. There are instances when creators have great ideas, but they don't have money to execute those ideas, and during such times, they can always resort to crowdfunding. If your ideas are intriguing enough, you can then ask for help from your audience, which will help you pay for your production and equipment. Number 5. Become a marketing consultant. If you know you have a special lucrative skill that brands can use to make more money, then you can definitely become a marketing consultant and can effectively offer paid services. It could prove even more profitable if you have a channel that's already doing well, which means that you're able to secure at least 1,000 views on the videos that you post. These days, brands put a solid budget aside for people who can manage their channels well for them. So becoming a marketing consultant is always a good bet if you have made up your mind. Number 4. Become a coach. If you have a beloved profession that you want to teach to other people, then you have a chance to increase your bank balance. You can conduct one-on-one teaching or coaching sessions for your audience. In this exchange of your time and skills for money, you'll be earning a decent amount along with receiving more recognition. You can pursue different niches if you're thinking of becoming a coach. You can teach musical instruments, for instance, become a piano instructor or a subject tutor, or maybe even a fashion consultant. Number 3. Conduct workshops. If you're entertaining, educating, or inspiring your audience with your content, then you're already doing good. But what if you have an option to strengthen your relationship with your subscribers by taking these virtual interactions to live ones? Sounds fascinating, isn't it? Well, you could achieve this easily if you belong to these niches: learning, design, art, comedy, business, cooking, DIY, fashion, music, dance teacher and health expert, or pretty much anything you can think of. You can conduct workshops and speaking sessions, which will not only provide an opportunity to meet your fans, but also help you earn some handsome cash. Number 2. Build a work portfolio to boost your career. If you're an actor, musician, or entertainer with your channel on YouTube, then you can earn a debut on the big screen with your presence on YouTube, given that it's one of the most popular video platforms with such a huge audience. Your videos posted on your channel will serve as your work portfolio. For example, if you're an actor, you won't need to audition or beg for your role in the movies. You can just post your acting sketch on your channel, which will have the potential to reach a worldwide audience, all thanks to YouTube. Number 1. License your content to media for money. Creators whose content goes viral, or even other people who happen to post a video that goes viral and reaches a huge audience and gains mass appeal, have a chance to earn money if they choose to license their content. The viral video could be of anything: a child tripping, a puppy playing, or even a man crying. If you're able to license such content to media on time, then you'll be able to receive a good amount of money. So what are you waiting for? Get started right away if you have all the means to do so. That's it for today, guys. Like and subscribe, and do hit the notification bell. Until then, take care and goodbye.